let's say you don't want to do a lot of things, but you just want a little something to brighten up the space for the season. What a fun way to be able to do it with an area rug. Like, you cannot go wrong there. So this is your Centertaining Spring 2x3 washable rug. It is $29.96. Your easy paid $9.99. It's item number H248198. You're saving over $9.50 off, which is so great. We have 3 different choices. This is that gorgeous woodland mint, very pretty. And then the 2 other choices, which I love because that's like totally just spring, fall. That's a great one.
Yes.
Look how fun the bunny rabbits are. Isn't that good? That's your egg hunt. And then we have the gorgeous flutter with the butterflies. Pretty. Like, use that in that baby's room or the kid's bathroom. Like, that's fun because look, it's a washable rug. It's slip resistant. Easy decorating here.
This is amazing, right? And this has been so incredibly popular for us. First of all, great size.
Yeah.
2x3, so it's that great mat size, if you will. Think about how many times you buy a rug or a mat and you throw it away.
It's so true.
This also can go in a covered outdoor space right there.
Nice.
I'm going to flip my around if you don't
part.
mind, so I can just show you.
I love this part.
All right, so a couple of things.
It's my favorite part, the backside.
The backside, there you go. I'm going to stop talking.
It's okay.
Okay, so when we come in close, you can see this great nubby texture right here. That is what makes it slip resistant. My mom, who is 92, this is what I want in her home. I want it by a front door, in front of your sink, outdoors. Up here is that technology that I want to show you. It's machine washable. But check this out. There's 4 of these, 1 in each corner. All you're going to do is simply take off the plastic piece on the top. See that right there? Now it will stick to your floor, Manifa.
And it won't go anywhere.
It's sticky. It's called Gel Pro. Save these. Save this cover, because when you go to put it in the washing machine, I just literally washed mine tonight.
You can take this off. Look.
Put this back on and then just take it off. Pop it in the washer.
That's it.
I just lay it over my dryer to dry.
Yep.
But not only is it non-slip, when I turn it back around, I just want to show you something. It's actually stain resistant as well. So time and time again, this is what you're going to pull out of the washing machine. You know, and if you put this in your kitchen, your dining room, high traffic areas, you want it to be washable.
Right. Because you're going to be stepping on it.
Yes.
So listen, and I'm the type of person, you know, I go back and forth sometimes when people come into my home and they say, do you want me to take my shoes off? You know, I'm kind of like, whatever.
Sure.
I'm kind of that kind of a person about it. You know, it's whatever you're comfortable with doing. But there are those areas that whether you have people coming in and out or it's just you in your home, they're high traffic areas, and that's where you want a rug. Where is that? In your kitchen, we're all washing dishes or cooking, in the bathrooms, right in the laundry room. So any place that you think that's a high traffic area. But what's fun about these is you're adding a fun pop of color, a fun design.
You're decorating at the same time, and a rug says so much about you, so does a mat. So imagine you pick up the little egg hunt right here and it goes at your front door.
Yeah.
Maybe right inside. Mine's covered.
Inside.
So you could put it outside if it's covered. By the way, I just want to tell you something.
And mine is covered too. That's
you
good.
can feel the comfort of it, right?
Yeah, they're nice.
And I'm not sliding, like if I, you know, that has those 4 gel grips. Then I love the butterfly.
I love the butterfly.
Yeah, especially for your outdoor patio, maybe by your back or your side door.
Yeah.
And then woodland mint in front of me. This is, to me, is all year long.
Yeah, all year long. I put that in the kitchen. Maybe I have my entrance from my garage to come into the house indoors. I would probably put that right there because I need a little something right there. Yes. So just really, really useful and a fun way to decorate. Easy way to decorate. If you want to decorate for the season,
so easy.
This is such an easy way to do it. To me, it's one of the easiest ways to do it with the biggest impact.
I agree with you, because your front door is how people enter your home, enter your space, enter your life. So you want to make a statement there. Here's that beautiful woodland mint. Remember, this is stain resistant, high quality. Then on the back, you get those great non-slip little nubbies right there on the back that stop it from slipping, and then 4 of the jelly grips that you're going to put down. Just save them, because this goes in the washing machine. But this is like, we're retiring this because we have so many new patterns coming in.
This is it. So take advantage. So the 3 that we have right now, again, the one Lisa's holding, that's your woodland mint.
I love this.
Very, very pretty. And then we have these other 2 choices to match back with any of the other things we had earlier on. We have the egg hunt, which is the cute little bunny rabbit and the little Easter eggs.
Look how cute that is.
And look how vibrant and fun that is, right? And then we have this gorgeous flutter with all the butterflies and the flowers. And again, just takes me back to when I decorated my daughter's room when she was a little bitty baby.
Oh, I love that idea.
In the butterflies. So I had
How
butterflies.
Sweet for a little kid's room. Do you put mats in front of your sink or your stove at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do
Absolutely.
too. Right.
Absolutely. You spend a lot of time there, you want it to be comfortable, especially if we're walking around the house, you know, barefoot or in socks or something. This is really nice to be able to have underneath your feet. And the fact that it's washable.
It's
what?
game changer for me.
Right.
I mean,
rugs can be so expensive.
So expensive. And you get you get like the Quora or the other ones that like fall apart. You will have this year after year.
You don't have to worry about it with this one. Item number H248198 from your Centertaining Spring 2x3 washable rug. It's $29.96 with an easy pay of $9.99. I was going to say 94 cents, but you're actually saving $9.54 on this one.